we are at Will Robbins' place. Here with my team. Let's get a look at him here right away.
Getting a picture here.
Got Brett Schneider.
That's me.
He did a pretty good job on those intakes, hey? And discharge. We got Levi Tozak. What's the main thing you did here?
You know, helped put the couple augers up here, put that conveyor going through the wall.
Nice. Turned out really good, guys. Holy shnikes.
That lag.
Yeah, and then next on the roster, we got Jacob Rasavi.
Hello!
Don't let that look fool you. He's actually pretty good. What was the main thing you did here, Jacoby?
Built a lot of funky transitions.
Cool. Like it. And then, top dog here, Ethan Ambrose. Kind of came in late in the game, but he sure made things come together on putting those cup belts together, setting motors in place, just all around. Kind of ended up putting a lot of this piping together there.
Hopefully those bearings don't fall off.
Should know those bearings won't fall off. But anyways, here's some pretty good looking transitions.
That's funky.
That is funky. And then here, this is kind of the grooviness of everything. Holy, just cannot believe it. Come down here, little bit of a miscue there. It came out pretty nice. And then maybe we'll take a look outside. Hey, we'll go outside and take a look at all the piping. See how that worked out. Microwave right there. Should probably load that guy up. Then we come outside, and that's where a lot of stuff took place there. Stood the leg. This is all the screenings piping up into that bin, which turned out pretty good. He's got a two-way up there in case he wants to divert to a truck. Like this. Some custom brackets up the side there. Turned out pretty good. Then we, this isn't all our work on here. Like, this platform was kind of what came and we just went with it, so. And then we did a little bit of a transition here. This head was off another conveyor and we modified it to fit. And the groovy transition Jacoby and Brett did right out of the gate was right there. Actually, I might have been Jacoby and Levi, I'm not sure. Turned out really nice. Access panel on the back. And this seems like a long time ago, but we started with this fan. That's it. Cyclone coming off the Jesdal. But it all starts right here. Dirty grain into there, into that aspirator. Goes inside the building into that blue conveyor. Catch you on the next big one.